Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have some mail. These are orders that I bought, or dolls that I bought, and this one is for, well, I hope. Let's open it up and make sure it's the right doll and everything's good before I get my heart set on anything. I bought this from a seller I have not bought from before. I wanted the pale skin. I'm glad these were included. I wanted the pale skin and shinier hair. This hair is a little different on these Blythe dolls. And this one was on sale. She looks really good. Yeah, this is for an autumn project. Whoa, wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is back to double dose of hair. Look at that. And look at that shine. Oh my God. She's gorgeous. She is absolutely, you know what, I'm not even gonna take that off. Let's just see if her eyes work. They absolutely do. Oh, I'm tickled. Oh, I love that.
Got the fancy lips.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do face up. I'll ruin that. This hair. Oh my goodness. Thank you, darling. That's very nice of you. Darren's is my biggest fan of face-ups and such. This hair is incredible. I have ordered more of these. I hope they all come in with that thick, thick hair. I ordered from 2 new sellers. Well, 1 new seller, and then Fairy Town something I've ordered from before. So we'll set her aside because she gets a face-up. And then I have my girls standing here because, oh my God, I might have ordered a Barbie. Can you believe it? Like, I just went through some tubs looking for something. It's like, oh, I forgot I had that Barbie. Oh, I forgot I had that Barbie. Thank you for buying my Barbie extra doll. I hope she arrives to you safely. Yeah, me too, because that's how she came. No bubble wrap at all. So you know I'm going to be checking hips. Yeah, she looks right and tight and pretty, and oh, I love this hair. I have just the rainbow hair, just oh. She still has her earrings. I have this doll that I had bought when she went on clearance, and I think I paid, I don't know if I paid, oh, wait a minute. No, she's okay. $10 or $15 for it, but I thought I'd buy one without clothing because I don't want to take the other one out of the box. The value of these dolls with this rainbow hair is quite high right now. And I made her something. You know, gingham is just the thing right now. And I found this ribbon, this gingham ribbon. And I thought, what could I do for her for a rainbow skirt? And that's what I came up with. And I got her some purple shoes. And if you're still with me, this is a hidden giveaway video. So sit tight. I'm going to give you a code word. Oh, that fits her well. Oh, that's pretty cute. Oh, I like that. And then I got her out some purple shoes because, you know, I like purple. And, oh, I didn't bring her...
And it's part of the rainbow, too. You start from red and in
Exactly.
purple.
Exactly. I did not bring her down a stand. I'm using these cheap stands because my stand maker is so busy. It's... oh, it's crazy around here.
And she keeps cussing about these Barbie stands.
I hate them. I hate these. They are... Oh, and Barbie bodies are all different, and I swear this was built for the first Barbie with the tiny waist. Anyway, this doll is not part of the giveaway, but her dress is, and her necklace is, and her shoes are part of the giveaway. You have the stand if you want. And what you need to do is be a subscriber, an active subscriber. That is, you are subscribed to my channels, watch my videos, leave comments and likes. And put in the comments, what do we want to use, Darren? Key or Barbie movie or gingham? What word should they hide in their comment for this one?
Summer.
Oh, that's a good one. Summer, yeah. And note the Velcro. That is because there are different size Barbies, and this one was a little bit thicker through here. So this will not fit a curvy, that's for sure. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, adding summer into that, and subscribe.